Hi there. I have today the Cabin Home bookshelf. My only issue is that it's not very sturdy, not sturdy at all, and it's missing parts. They're supposed to be, it's not real wood, it's kind of, I guess you can call it particle board with a faux wood finish. And it's missing a bar. The other tiers have bars as 4 tiers, and one of the tiers is missing a bar. I don't know what to say. It wasn't really easy to put together, hence missing a part. It's missing a part. And the screws were kind of mismatched. As you can see, they're mismatched, and I'm not really happy with this. I'm gonna write a letter to the manufacturer, but the mere fact that it's missing a part kind of really bugs me. I will have the Amazon URL on my YouTube.